Think of your WhatsApp, your Facebook, your Instagram, your workplace environment. We are the backbone of everything that you do online. We deliver the power, the cooling, the connectivity, and also the security so that IT companies can perform at their best.
As a public utility company, we always have to provide a city of heat. The data center is fantastic because they always produce heat.
We as a data center company were looking into how we could use the excess heat we have.
We were looking for new sustainable sources, and the distance between the data center of QTS, that was a no-brainer.
We deliver the residual heat to WarmteStad, and they upgrade the heat to the right temperature and deliver it to the households.
So we can make use of the energy twice.
They deliver cold water back to us, so we can cool our systems with their excess product. So we've closed the cycle of energy as much as we can.
Our company provides sustainable and affordable housing for people with a lower income. We have 35,000 houses, and 1,200 houses are connected to the WarmteStad heating system, and it's still growing every day.
Groningen's population for 20% consists of students.
The building you can see here is a student complex with 300 rooms in it. We renovated the total, it's been insulated, and it has been connected to the WarmteStad network.
Groningen is a very nice city. Being a student here is amazing, and it feels like a village inside of a city. When I first moved into here, they just renovated the whole place. They switched to WarmteStad. You did not notice the difference. It works great, it heats up the room immediately, and it feels very nice to live as a student with not a lot of money and not a lot of power to be able to use environmentally friendly heating systems.
We put a lot of effort from day one, which is the site sourcing, and that's where our sustainability hat comes up.
Sustainability is very important for QTS and also for QTS its customers.
Achieving sustainability goals, we need public-private partnerships, and we are pleased that QTS helps us with achieving our goals.
I think the environment is very important for us as younger generations and for the generations after us to be able to live in a healthy, sustainable and environmentally friendly manner.
It is such a privilege to have the opportunity to show up as a good neighbor. We're in the community before we even start the planning process or even before we start construction.
We find it really important to be part of the community and to give back to the community.
It's amazing to be able to connect and provide real opportunities, whether that is through jobs, skills and training, opportunity to learn more about the data center industry. What matters to the local community is thought through as we find a site.
Let's go from not in my backyard to please in my backyard, because we can add such great value to the communities.
We just happen to build data centers, but we're all about the people and the impact that we can deliver.
It's so important that QTS allows us to innovate as part of its core values so that we can come up with ideas and that we can bring these ideas into practice.
It's actually been a gift for us to get the experience and the expertise to bring this elsewhere. This is a growing trend that we're seeing in Europe, and we're really fortunate to be able to base our experience on a real life case study here in the Netherlands.